Streamlining success, mastering lean office and supply chain management. The concept of a lean office revolves around maximizing efficiency in administrative processes. It focuses on streamlining tasks and eliminating unnecessary procedures, thus ensuring that office operations are as productive as possible. By adopting lean methodologies, businesses can significantly reduce operational costs and improve workflow. Lean principles, originally developed for manufacturing, can be effectively applied in office settings. These principles include defining value from the customer's perspective, mapping the value stream, creating flow, establishing pull, and seeking perfection. When applied to administrative processes, they help in identifying non-value-adding activities and streamlining operations. A lean supply chain is fundamental to gaining a competitive edge. It emphasizes the importance of streamlining operations from procurement to delivery. By adopting lean practices, companies can reduce lead times, minimize inventory levels, and improve overall supply chain responsiveness, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and profitability. Identifying and eliminating waste is a key aspect of implementing lean in the office. Waste can take various forms, such as excess motion, waiting times, overprocessing, or unnecessary inventory. Recognizing these wastes and taking steps to eliminate them can lead to more efficient and cost-effective office operations. Tools and techniques for implementing lean in the office include the 5S system: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain, value stream mapping, and continuous improvement cycles. These tools help in organizing the workplace, optimizing processes, and ensuring that improvements are maintained over time, thereby fostering a culture of efficiency and excellence. The integration of technology is pivotal in sculpting a lean office environment. Advanced software and automation tools not only streamline administrative tasks but also provide real-time data analytics, enabling more informed decision-making and eliminating redundant processes that impede efficiency. A transformation into a lean office isn't merely about adopting new methodologies, it's a story of success when applied with precision. Through examining a case study, it becomes evident that meticulous planning, employee involvement, and continuous monitoring are the cornerstones of a successful lean office transformation. Lean supply chain management encapsulates a strategic approach aimed at enhancing efficiency and reducing waste. By applying lean principles, businesses can ensure smoother operations, timely delivery, and ultimately, a significant competitive advantage. It's about aligning every link in the chain to operate at peak efficiency. Cultivating a lean culture within an office setting requires more than just implementing new processes, it necessitates a shift in mindset. Engaging employees in lean initiatives fosters a collaborative environment where continuous improvement becomes part of the organizational DNA, leading to sustained efficiency gains. The impact of a lean office extends beyond operational efficiency, reaching into the realm of customer satisfaction and overall business performance. By streamlining processes and reducing waste, businesses can respond more swiftly to customer needs, enhancing satisfaction and fostering loyalty while also boosting the bottom line. Transitioning to a lean office model presents distinct challenges, from resistance to change among staff to initial implementation costs. Success hinges on effectively communicating the benefits and providing adequate training to ensure everyone is aligned with the new processes. Measuring the success of lean office implementations requires a keen focus on both qualitative and quantitative metrics. Increased productivity, reduced waste, and improved employee morale serve as indicators, but capturing this data demands a structured approach to truly gauge the impact. Integrating lean office and lean supply chain principles offers a holistic approach to organizational efficiency. This synergy ensures that improvements in administrative processes are complemented by streamlined operations in the supply chain, leading to a more cohesive and efficient business model. Lean inventory management is crucial for minimizing waste and reducing holding costs in the supply chain. By adopting just-in-time inventory practices, businesses can ensure they have the right amount of stock at the right time, enhancing operational efficiency. The importance of supplier relationships in a lean supply chain cannot be overstated. Strong partnerships based on transparency and mutual benefit are essential. They help in smoothing out supply chain kinks, ensuring a steady flow of materials, and facilitating the joint pursuit of lean principles. Lean logistics focuses on optimizing every aspect of transportation and distribution to cut excess costs and improve efficiency. By streamlining processes, companies can ensure quicker delivery times and lower overheads, making them more competitive in the fast-paced market. Leadership plays a pivotal role in the success of lean transformations. Effective leaders inspire and guide their teams through the change process, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Their commitment to lean principles is crucial for sustaining long-term organizational changes. Embracing lean principles can significantly enhance environmental sustainability. By reducing waste and optimizing energy use, companies not only cut costs but also minimize their ecological footprint. This approach demonstrates a commitment to responsible business practices that appeal to eco-conscious consumers. The future of lean is marked by innovative trends that continue to push the boundaries of efficiency and productivity. Advancements in technology, such as AI and machine learning, offer new opportunities to refine lean practices in office and supply chain management. Global companies that have successfully integrated lean office and supply chain practices serve as powerful case studies. Their experiences highlight the transformative potential of lean methodologies in achieving operational excellence, customer satisfaction, and improved business performance on a worldwide scale. Lean office and supply chain management have been pivotal in the transformation of global companies, showcasing remarkable improvements in efficiency, customer satisfaction, and profitability. Through detailed case studies, these success stories highlight the strategic application of lean principles, from reducing waste to optimizing workflows, providing a blueprint for businesses aiming to streamline their operations and enhance their competitive edge. The integration of lean office and lean supply chain practices offers long-term benefits that extend beyond immediate operational improvements. This holistic approach fosters a culture of continuous improvement, employee engagement, and environmental sustainability. Ultimately, organizations that embrace this integration position themselves for enduring success, adapting more swiftly to market changes and customer needs while driving innovation and excellence in their industries.